Thus, when this specific component is positioned much lower, it causes the thread take-up lever to pull significantly less thread through the mechanism. As we are able to observe here, the cover stitch machine is unfortunately skipping several stitches. Now, as you can see, when the stitch quality is perfect, and all it really takes is a minor adjustment. Truly not much effort is required. Let us lower the needles down to their absolute lowest point, and here we can clearly see the thread take-up lever working in tandem with this specific piece. Now, when this specific piece is positioned much lower, it causes the thread take-up lever to pull significantly less thread through the entire sewing mechanism. However, when we decide to raise it up, we really ought to set it quite precisely so that this top section is perfectly aligned with the small holes located in the thread take-up lever. By doing it this way, the machine actually pulls a much greater amount of thread, which effectively makes the resulting loop much wider than it would be otherwise. Because the loop being formed is significantly smaller than it needs to be, the machine is inevitably going to start skipping stitches. By simply raising this specific component just a tiny fraction, you force the thread take-up lever to pull a much greater amount of thread, which creates a significantly larger loop underneath the needles, ensuring that the looper tip can reliably catch that needle thread every single time.